This is Jason Crean, co-author of Zoo Genetics. This program was designed by Dr. Gene Dubach, wildlife geneticist, and I to show students how genetics is used in conservation practice. In this series of activities, you'll see a host of different species that we look at, including primates, which is the first activity on golden lion tamarins. A cousin of the golden lion tamarin behind me here is the cotton-top tamarin. It's important that we know what their population looks like, and we can't just rely on one sample set of data, such as behavior, because it can be deceiving. So we use genetics in order to determine who's related to who. And in the first activity, you're going to look at a pedigree to figure out what kind of population management issues emerge when genetics isn't employed. And then you can determine what can be done for this population by doing a simple genetic analysis. So what sort of questions do we want to answer when we look at populations, whether in the wild or in a living laboratory like a zoo? We want to know who's related to who and how closely related to each other they are. We want to know paternity, who the father is, sometimes maternity, who the mother is, and who their siblings are to avoid inbreeding. So there's lots of questions, especially with animals that live in groups, that we need to answer and that genetics can help us with.